train here in Sierra Nevada, what we try to do is to measure everything that we do in the gym. So we use, I guess you saw the SmartCoach system. We use this. We have a circuit where every repetition we're going to measure, we're going to analyze everything, and we're going to try to individualize, make each session specific to each swimmer. So again, in my computer it's blue and red is nicer, but it doesn't matter. If you understand well, you can see that we did the running, the cardio before swimming. It's because in Rio the swimming, the timing were later, so we had late heat in the morning, starting at 1, and then the finals starting at 10 in the evening. So we had to do the land work here before. Usually when we are back home in the car, we do swim first, and then we do the land work. So every time we arrive, the first session is to do some testing. So we test the swimmers. We have like a specific test, some specific tests that we do. So we know where we are in terms of the strength, and then from that test we create and design the training protocol. So usually I speak with Ravi and Blanca, and I tell them this is what I want, and according to the test of each swimmer we adapt repetition, we adapt weight, etc., etc. That's just the last testing that we did before we left to go to Rio with Mireia in terms of maximum strength, just an example. The swimmers get involved in the session, so they arrive, we don't do for them, they have to use the computer, they have to set up the session and be involved in that monitoring system. So here, for example, the last camp that we did for 4 weeks, this is the specific session that we did in terms of strength, 12 sessions, a total of 288 sets and 2,800 whatever repetition. It's quite boring, but the good thing about this is you can really target what you want to do, and you can be specific on your work, and you don't make mistakes. Very good explanation. This is from Ravi, why we do this, to assess on a daily basis what we want. So it's very important in coaching that what you're going to offer, either in the water or in the gym, is in reality with a state of fatigue of your swimmer. So you can make a lot of mistakes, and because you're going to do this assessment, you're going to really translate to a proper effective training session. Objective and individuals, so each swimmer has his own program. We try to focus on speed. Motivation and strength, that's also challenging for the guys to compete against each other. They compete against the machine because they see live what they do, so every repetition they see what they are. You're going to see on the video that it's pretty sweet. We kind of invented like a swim bench where they see themselves how fast they go, how many repetitions they go. It's almost like swimming on a bench, and that's something that in the water you don't see, so it's quite interesting in the gym. Something very important